What are you doing?
But this bunny kept popping up here and there and everywhere.
What are you doing over there? Where's Violet? There she is. What are you doing? Yeah? Did Mommy mute the TV? Violet. Really? What have you got? Thank you. Thank you. No, you're not playing with Mommy's computer. No, no. Or the remote. Yeah. No, ma'am. I said no, ma'am. Yeah, no, no. What? No, you can't trade Mommy toys. You're not playing with my laptop.